Guangzhou HISEER Air Conditioning Company Limited was established in 2003, 1.5 kilometers away from the Guangzhou airport. As influenced by the founder's professional knowledge and experiences in the field of refrigeration, and benefits from years of technical and engineering cooperation with world-famous companies, Guangzhou HISEER Company has been committing itself to working for technical renovation and development of inverter air source heat pump, inverter ground source heat pump, in a bid to compete with the coming living crisis caused by the global warming and shortage of energy resources. Affiliated Factory has successfully established its quality control system from the sourcing of the raw material to the production and the final testing process, strictly following each quality control steps, and products passed the ISO certification and attestation of conformity certification. Heat pumps are mainly exported to Europe, designed and tested by Europe Standard EU regulation, reached A++ or A+++ energy level. HISEER heat pumps, such as inverter air source heat pump, inverter ground source heat pump, and EVI inverter air to water heat pump, are playing more and more important roles in changing the way of people's living. Guangzhou HISEER is willing to consistently create more possible solutions and new technology for reducing carbon emissions and improving comfortable living environment. Guangzhou HISEER is looking for distributors to work together for developing long-term business cooperation.